A detective is an officer of the court. It is their job to investigate. It is their job to present truthful information to a magistrate, to show the picture in order to get, for the magistrate to make a determination. The magistrate needs information to make a determination of probable cause of whether to issue an arrest warrant. That's a big deal. That's like due process at its core. And in this case, the picture that she painted was inaccurate, not supported by the facts of the person who was present, simply asking for the opportunity to create a record, to put witnesses on, to create an evidentiary record, to show what they knew and when they knew it and how it was versus what was presented.
That even if you granted everything they asked for, you can't get to, they have not shown you authority for dismissing this case. He called her 2 times after that. She didn't answer, showed up at her apartment, barged his way in, grabbed the implements that he did. She felt utterly terrorized in that moment, threatened to kill himself, pointed the implements at her, backed her further into her apartment, eventually left when she got her lawyer on speakerphone, and even after he left, then called her, as is witnessed on body cam, called her yet again, and sent her 2 more texts. I hate you, and my blood is on your hands. So on December 10th, and as was sworn to by Detective Welker, there is more than sufficient probable cause for the issuance of a warrant that includes stalking.
I don't believe a lot of times in coincidence. I don't believe that things happen all the time by accident. I agree. I think that that was an intentional misdirection to the court in terms of what this should look like. That doesn't mean that I would end up any place different than where the magistrate was. But the magistrate was owed the benefit of having all of that information prior to making that decision. It is, in this court's mind, a glaring omission. So for those reasons, the court, in exercising its discretion, is going to grant the motion for an evidentiary hearing in this case.